Hey everyone, it's Kayla from the Casual Crafter, and today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree and Target Bullseye Playground haul. I just got back from shopping from both of those places, and I found some really great goodies I wanted to share with you guys. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. I went to Target first, so I'm going to start out with those, and then we'll go into the Dollar Tree portion of the haul. They had some really cute new things. I was there not too long ago and they still had all their Easter stuff out, but they just got in this new collection and I was super excited to find it. I only ended up getting a few things from it because I didn't think I could use all of it in my decor, but it was really cute nonetheless. So they had some really cute new vases in their section. I only got 2 of them, but they had, I think, 3, maybe some different ones. But I got this really pretty black and green leaf one. I thought this was really awesome and it has a really unique shape. It's kind of like rounded, but has a fairly wide hole. So I thought it'd be really nice for a plant to sit in, and I might be getting a new plant soon, so I thought that'd be really nice to hold it in it. And then I also got this black and white striped one, which is a lot taller and skinnier, but I thought this was really nice. And both of these were each $3, and I thought they were really cute. I'm probably just gonna put some, like a leaf or something in here, and I thought it was really nice. It could sit on my shelves back there. To go along with those vases, they had these 5 packs of leaves bundles. They had some different ones. I only ended up getting 2 different ones, but this one, they're both called tropical leaf bundles, but they were each $3 for the 5 picks you get in it. But I thought these were really nice, seemed like really nice quality, and they're like a plasticky material. I don't know if I'd call them completely plastic, but they feel like really good quality, and I think they'll look really nice in one of those vases I got. Also, if you happen to see her, my dog is laying right there, so if you happen to see her, just know that's what that is. I picked up this Lazy Susan. It says it's a condiment holder that you can get in the dollar spot. It does kind of look like a peace sign, but I was told the peace sign has actually a line here all the way through. But it was a really nice quality Lazy Susan. It was only $3, so I picked that up, and I was really excited to find this. They had a lot of things in this style of decor, however, I only ended up picking up this tray. And it was $5, and I thought it was a pretty good size. Here's it compared to my head. And it seems like fairly good quality. I wouldn't do too much with it because it does wiggle a bit. It's not the best. But I thought it was really nice for $5, so I picked that up. They also had some baskets there in this style, and then also like a shelf that you could hang on the wall. But I didn't think I had a place to put those, so I only ended up getting the tray. And then this was the only one I saw when I was there, so I made sure I grabbed it. But it's, if you can see, it's a bath tray, and it was $5, and this is supposed to like sit across the bath. It has a place for your phone, and it has like a cup holder slot, and then also this is supposed to be for like a stemmed glass. You could use like a wine glass like it has in the picture there. But I thought this was a really good deal for $5, so I made sure I picked that up. And as you can see, it's pretty wide, so I thought it was really nice. The last 2 items I got at Target were not in the dollar spot section, but I picked them up anyway. And the first one was this colander. I thought it was an interesting shape, and I thought it'd be really nice for washing fruit or something in the summertime. And this was $3. It says it's dishwasher safe. And they had a couple other colors of this as well, but I just picked up the black because I like my neutrals. But I thought this was a really good deal. And then finally, I've been switching over some of our kitchen towels recently. So I just picked up this 3-pack of Bar Mop kitchen towels. This was $3 for the 3-pack, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. So I picked those up to go along with our new towels. Now we're going to move on to the Dollar Tree portion of the haul. There was only a few new items I saw there, but I did stock up on some essentials that I get there anyway, so I'll go ahead and show you what I got there now. Starting out, I was really excited to see these. I was kind of getting worried that... Great, the air conditioning just turned on. It's hot here. It's like 80... It's supposed to be 83 today or something. So I did pick up quite a few of these canvases because I was afraid they were going to stop making them. I hadn't seen them in a while. And these are the canvases that have like the wood piece in the back that you can take the canvas off and then use that as a frame itself. So I picked up 4 of these. I think these are the 8 by 10 size. And I use these in lots of crafts. So I picked up these and I was really happy to stock up on those for a while. Then I also picked up a couple of these in the 6 by 8 size. And I love using different sizes of these to make different picture frames for whatever season it might be. I picked up some of these. These are the first time I've seen these at my store. I know I've seen other people haul them before, but they're these wood palette little pieces, and I thought I'd stain them and make them into coasters. I might use them myself, or I might give them away as a gift to somebody. But I thought they were really cute, so I picked those up. I did pick up another bag of Spanish moss. I've been using this in crafts a lot this spring, so I wanted to make sure I had enough. I picked up a pack of floral wire. This is pretty thick wire, and I've never actually seen it at my Dollar Tree before, so I made sure I picked that up. I was really excited to find that. I grabbed a pack of these 30 fertilizer spikes. I've never used them before, but I've seen other people haul them, and I thought I'd try them in some of my house plants because I've been getting into plants lately. I thought I'd try them out and see if they work well. But they were only $1, so I grabbed those. So this next item I was super excited to find. I know a lot of people were finding them around Christmas time at their Dollar Trees, but my Dollar Tree never seemed to get them in until now, and I saw a whole bunch of them there. I kind of wish I would have picked up more, but I grabbed 2 of these because these make the yellow light as opposed to the white light, and I think I'm going to paint the top because I'm not really into the gold color, but I thought these were really nice, and they just light up. They have like string lights in the middle there. I thought these were really good quality, and they're really nice for $1, so I'm probably going to do a DIY with these, and I'm really excited about that. I really like getting paintbrushes from Dollar Tree, so I just picked up another set of these chip brushes. I'm going to be using these for some polyurethane I'm going to be using on a piece of furniture soon, so I wanted to make sure I had a spare of those. I grabbed this little makeup brush cleaning mitt. I thought I could use it for some of my paint brushes because I'm crafting pretty often, and I thought I would use this as opposed to the one I already have for my makeup because I didn't want to contaminate that with paint, so I thought this would be a good idea. And this kind of just comes out like this. I thought I could rub my brush on there and it'd be really nice to clean it, so I grabbed that. I really like getting some of the nail polishes that they get at Dollar Tree. This one is a Kiss Gel Shine Polish, and I just love the color. It's like a really pale purple, lavendery color. I thought it'd be really nice for spring, so I grabbed that. They had a couple of these different trinket boxes. They had this one with the white and the gold top, and then they had one that was black with a gold top. I don't even know if I'm going to use the top because, like I said, I'm not really a big fan of the gold. I'm just going to probably take the lid off and use the bottom itself. But it has kind of a hexagon type pattern on it, and I thought it was really nice, so I grabbed that. They did put out a few of their LED string lights, so I just grabbed a pack of these. These are the silver ones. I always like to keep these on hand for different crafts I might use them for, so I grabbed a pack of those. This next piece, they had a few different ones there, but I just ended up getting this one. It's like a candle holder. They have white and gold ones of the different designs, and I believe there is 3 of each. They had this one, a little more rounded one, and I don't remember exactly what the other one looked like, but these are really heavy, and I think they're really nice quality for $1. So I made sure I grabbed that, and you can just put a little tea light in there or a fake one that you can get at Dollar Tree, so I grabbed that. I don't know if you saw my recent video, but I can link it up in the eye and down below, but I took apart one of their sun hats and used it around a planter, and I thought it gave it a really cool effect. So I wanted to get these different color ones. There was a white one and a black one. I'm probably going to do something similar. I might make a basket out of them, but I thought these were really nice, and I hadn't seen these colors before, so I grabbed those. And that concludes the haul from both Target and Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure and like and comment down below what's your favorite item I picked up or what you're going to be keeping an eye out for yourself. Also, if you haven't already, be sure and check me out over on Instagram. It's at The Casual Crafter. And if you've made it this far in the video, be sure and subscribe to my channel. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and thanks again. Bye!